Speaking of animals, is it
eventually
true
lose
that
the humans.
it's the most difficult animal to draw is a horse? I think I read that somewhere.
If you read that, then that's one more point of data than I have.
Okay.
Horses are difficult to draw, for sure. I don't know if there's any definitive difficult animal. Anything, if you practice it, becomes second nature. So horses are difficult because their musculature is very visible. But at the same time, it's also very subtle. Horses have very fine coats. So if you're using like a pencil or if you're doing it by line, it's hard to, there's a really fine balance you would have to keep. I have drawn horses, but I'm not like a horse specialist, of course.
Do you know anything of these amazing Chinese paintings of horses?
Yeah.
What's the thing here?
I'm not an expert on that.
Why are they only about horses? I would imagine it's dragons, you know?
Well, they're not only about horses, but there does seem to be a vast
very
majority
famous ones are
of horses. That seems to be like a standard, right? I don't know how that got started. I'm not an expert in the history of that. One of the most famous Chinese paintings is of the horse that's galloping, right? The other one being the river crossing. So I'm not sure. My guess is just a guess is that was kind of the standard for teaching.
Yeah.
Right? You would teach painting, and the practice would be doing horses.